everybody, this is Sweatshirt. You know this by now. I'm here back again the same day with another unboxing. This is called the Overdyed Hoodie Sweatshirt, and the color is called Natural, and on the picture it looks like sail or off-white. Why do Supreme items smell so funky? I can't say that it smells bad, but I'm definitely going to wash it before I wear it. When I saw this on the website, I think it looked very much like Air Jordan sail color that we have on the sails that I just showed you. But they look really white at the moment. So let me see if I have something else to show you. Never mind. But this isn't white either. This is also called overdyed, overdyed but white. This is sail, and this is called natural. But I'm gonna wear it like this. So sort of beige or something. There are some marks on the hoodie, but since it's supposed to be overdyed, it's supposed to look like you wash it many times. I think I'm okay with that. I don't know. The other colorways on this shirt, they were purple and etc. You see that it looks like it's bleach in the corner, and the color have faded away. This is on large, yes, and we have Supreme text on the left arm. In the description, I'm gonna post pictures so you can see it better. Today, the most interesting thing is to see how it fits. Feels big. I am 185, 186 actually, but I say 185 to make it easier for you to translate. I think that's 6 feet 2, I don't know, something like that. 185 centimeters and weight 93 kilos. I wear clothes baggy. Yeah, I never wear something slim fit. I'm not sure about the color. I don't really like the color, but the fit is fine, as I expected. I would call this in some other clothing brand XL, but in Supreme this is large. So Supremes go big in sizes. Supreme, what do I say it like that? Supreme goes big in sizes. And usually when you go from large to extra large, the length in the arms are the same, the length overall is the same. It's just bigger here, like silly big, like you have some diabetes fat arms. The fit is fine. The color is, I don't know. Here we have a Supreme on the arm, sort of beige, green something. If I had seen this live before I bought it, I wouldn't have bought it. I thought it was going to be more of the white way. I don't have anything to compare to. Yeah, this is white. But yeah, of course I'm gonna use it. It's nice. I can have it as a spare hoodie in my car. It's nice to have a spare hoodie in the car now in the summer when it gets cold in the evenings. Pretty okay. It did not sell out. I bought it 10-12 hours after the drop. So this is it. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe. I need those 1,000 subscribers. Give me a thumbs up. Comment. Ask me if you have any questions. That's it. Thank you.